Ondo Finance has just announced the deployment of its tokenized U.S. Treasury fund, OUSG, on the XRP Ledger. This move is expected to revolutionize the way institutional investors access and manage their cash reserves. With OUSG, investors can now enjoy 24/7 minting and redemption, daily interest accruals, and low fees. But that's not all. This deployment also marks a significant milestone in the evolution of blockchain technology for institutional finance. Hi everyone, this is Mark Johnson, your host for this episode of Elite Ledger Media. I'm here with our co-host and resident tech analyst, Ivo Kasan. Evo, how are you doing today?
Hello, Mark, and hello to all our listeners. I'm doing well, thank you, and excited to delve into today's topic.
Excellent. For those just joining us, we'll be discussing an exciting development in the world of blockchain and finance. Ondo Finance, a leader in tokenized real-world assets, has announced its plan to deploy the Ondo short-term U.S. government Treasuries, or OUSG, on the XRP Ledger. Now, this is expected to significantly boost institutional access to tokenized U.S. Treasuries, effectively merging the worlds of decentralized finance and traditional finance. Any initial thoughts on this move, Ivo?
Well, Mark, implementing OUSG on the XRP Ledger represents a significant milestone in institutional-grade financial blockchain solutions. OUSG is a tokenized U.S. Treasury fund backed by BlackRock's USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund. It offers institutions a yield-bearing, secure, and compliance-first asset. Plus, the platform allows for 24/7 minting and redemption, daily interest accruals, and lower fees than traditional financial platforms.
So basically, this is an attractive option for institutional investors, especially for cash management. And considering that the XRP Ledger was already established for enterprise applications with features like tokenization, trading, escrow, and more, this seems like a smart move. What's your take on it, Evo?
Yes, indeed, Mark. The XRP Ledger with its enterprise-focused design is the perfect platform for this venture. The deployment of OUSG on XRP will let institutional users mint and redeem tokens using Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin, which means transactions will be both seamless and instant. In addition, OUSG follows strict Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering standards, which align really well with the compliance perspective of traditional financial institutions.
That's definitely reassuring for institutional investors. This move seems to clearly bridge decentralized finance and traditional finance. What other benefits do you see coming from this?
Well, besides bridging DeFi and TradFi, OUSG's deployment on XRPL will give institutional investors unparalleled liquidity and accessibility. Being able to mint and redeem tokens around the clock eliminates the traditional constraints on trading hours and settlement times. This is a real game changer for institutional cash management and capital flow optimization.
Absolutely. It's indeed promising for the future of institutional investment, but this move could also possibly encourage the growth of tokenized real-world assets, right, Evo?
Definitely, Mark. The tokenization of real-world assets is a rapidly expanding industry, with the market value of tokenized treasuries alone now at $600 million. Ondo Finance has played a big part in this, with OUSG accounting for $185 million of that. Analysts predict that the adoption of tokenized real-world assets could skyrocket to $5 trillion in market value over the next 5 years. So we're looking at some very exciting times ahead in the finance world.